What really started this was we have never seen a good shower organizer you can just buy off the shelf at any store, whether it's kind of standing on the ground or it's suction cup to the tile or it's hanging off the shower head or the door. It's all been nothing but junk. If not waking me up in the middle of the night crashing with shampoo bottles and scaring me half to death. So we decided we would build one. I think Elena actually specifically asked me to, and we finally did it. So I chose the wood IPE because it's known for its rot resistance, because we knew this thing was going to be getting water on it almost every day from taking showers. We wanted to get one that would hold up to it, and the design just kind of evolved as I went. I knew I didn't want to screw it or bolt it to the tile and make holes and things like that. I could have, I just didn't really want to. So we made a system up top where a couple of French cleats that it would hang on, and we could remove it easily if we wanted to clean behind, things like that. So we just did some basic measurements of some of the common items we used, made a shelf, and then again during the build, figuring this thing out and creating another shelf down low for the girls to use. Excuse me. These little notches for these things, loofahs, loofies, whatever you call them, to hang on. Of course, a little baby shelf up here for razor or what have you, just for those odds and ends. But again, really love it. Again, probably my favorite part is the type of wood, and just the cleat system, how just slimline it is and how easy it is to take on and off. And we didn't have to do anything major. We didn't have to drill through any tiles or make any messes. If we don't like it, we can change it. But yeah, this is our IPE shower organizer. Thanks for watching.